So sometimes the noise level just becomes unacceptable and you have to do something about this. Well, we have this something known as laser vocals. This is the Patriot series. So if you want to get this, the box looks exactly like this. It really is nice looking. In fact, they even give you a nice set of Duracell top of the line batteries included with this. They didn't cheapen out and put some not so great batteries in here, which is awesome as well. So the Patriot series looks like this. It has the American flag on both sides. So on this side we have the American flag and on this side as well. The looks of it, this is the olive edition, which matches my uniform. And it looks really awesome as well. So this has the noise feature over here. So pretty much what you can do is you can regulate how much noise is acceptable for you to hear, and you can amplify it and reducing all the other clutter and background noise, which is really good as well. And it has a location for you to put. For example, if you like to listen to music while you mow the lawn, well, you can get rid of the lawn motor out of the noise level, and of course you can listen to your own tunes, which makes this the ideal thing for you to get. Or of course, if you want to listen to something else and tune out the really high frequency noise, this is the jam for you to get. So next thing is the comfort level of this. So it really does fold down pretty good. As you can see here, it becomes really slim. Slim is good in this specific case. Now another thing about this, there is the battery compartment right at the top here on this side over here, and you can open this up and you can put the AA batteries in here. It's not required, you can still operate this without the battery just as good. Like for example, if you want to just use this, no batteries, and you go and move this down. It moves down on one side and it moves down on the other side as well, just like that. It looks really slick when you do this. This thing is very comfortable. It's rubber on this side, it's plastic on this side, and plastic and rubber is basically the name of the game in this thing. It does say Walkers over here, and the best part, this is Velcro. So because it's Velcro, you can take this out and put something else in case you want to, you have a different flag, or you want to take this and put this somewhere else, or of course you want to switch it to some other decoration. Now you can switch this around. Let's put this on. And the noise level just drops, like really drops. It was at this level and now it's this. Let's be fair here, there was no noise level to begin with, but now I can barely hear myself. Like pretty much when I'm talking, I'm hearing myself, but at a very low level. Versus before, I could really hear myself very good. So this is good because it lowers the decibel points and it's better for your ears as well. So for example, if you are flying, that would be ideal thing to have, because not only you're suppressing the noise, you can also listen to tunes and relax and whatever you want to do. Now this thing is very comfortable. It's comfortable, very good. It feels great when you put this on the ears, and it doesn't jam too hard. So those things that you put on and they're like jamming really hard on your ears, and this is more of a very nice version of it that doesn't jam too hard. It looks stylish too, which is a good thing as well, because sometimes you get those and they're just not stylish. They don't look that good, and you'll be like, oh, why did I get this? In this specific case, you're like, oh, awesome looking. You can use this for shooting. If you are into EDC, you want to go ahead and shoot something, well, this thing is going to suppress the noise. Lawn mode, using the lawn mower, which makes a lot of noise, snowblower, and any heavy use equipment, this is the ideal thing for you to have. And it suppresses the noise very good. It suppresses the noise like excellent when it comes to that, and it looks awesome too. I mean, if you want to get this as a gift, and plus, oh yeah, last thing, this is not even heavy. It's kind of very good quality weight. It's not too much and it's not too little. Of course, if it was a little less, it would be a little bit too light, I would say. So this is just the perfect amount for your hand. It really is a decent amount, especially since you're putting this on your head. I mean, if you put it on your head and it's really heavy, it's not good. So put this on once again. And you can move this down and adjust it any way you actually like. It's very comfortable on the ears. It really feels good. And you can see how it looks like on one side and on the other side as well. And the signature, this is black, which is awesome. Like, you don't want this to be any other color than that. And it has a lot of good things about it. I'm really enjoying using this. And when it comes to the mechanism that you put the sound up or sound down, and where you're going to be sticking the headphones in, everything is really located in a strategic and a very nice location. So if you're in the military, you're looking for some noise suppression that's also going to be camouflaged and of course work for you, this is definitely the one to get. The olive version is good. I think there is also green. You can pick whichever color works best for you, but it does have this really nice looking thing to this. I love the United States patriotic flag. This is the Patriot edition. You can get one that's not Patriot. You can get a different version of those Walkos. So yeah, definitely different ones for you to pick from. Pick the one that best suited for you. But I love how comfortable this actually is, and how lightweight and how awesome this thing looks as well. So definitely recommend for you to get in case you're looking for an awesome pair of headphones that's gonna fit well, looks good, and also be patriotic as well. Ironically, today is the 4th of July, and it makes this thing double patriot looking, special for that. Really awesome. Make sure you get yours today.